Did you know that this bird is capable of flying from Earth to the Moon? Well, not exactly. Many animals migrate, but one stands out for its incredible journey. The Arctic tern, a bird weighing just 100 grams, travels 70,000 kilometers from pole to pole in search of perpetual summer. Thanks to the installation of a tiny geolocator device weighing just 1.4 grams on several individuals, it was revealed that these birds travel from Greenland to Antarctica, crossing the Atlantic. Over their lifetime, they can fly 2.4 million kilometers, which is equivalent to 3 round trips to the moon. The wonders of nature continue to amaze us every day. Share this incredible migration.
Inspiratio Schola.